Hi, welcome to English and Japanese Grammar for Beginners. Let's learn two languages at one go. If you are interested, please press the Enroll in Course button in the web link shown in our web page. Let's begin. Last time I have gone through the first lesson, lesson 1. So today I am going to concentrate on lesson 2 in this video. So let's press preview. That is actually in lesson 1 we looked at am, is, are. Now in lesson 2 we are going to look at am, is, are in the negative form. Let's look at the slide. So once you press the button to go into the lesson 2, am, is, are in negative forms. So let's see the table here. So we saw similar table in our lesson 1. Similar subjects are here: I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. Watashi is the subject when you call I. So now we have a negative linking verb because we are going to consider negative of are, is, are, am, is, are. So I am a teacher. When you want to make it negative, I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. So basically we put not after am. I am not a teacher. In the similar way, if you look at Japanese, again subject is watashi, I is watashi, wa particle, noun is teacher sensei, watashi wa, earlier it was sensei desu, but to make it am not, watashi wa sensei dewa arimasen. Again you can see dewa arimasen. So this is again pronounced as wa, it is not ha. Again the particle earlier we saw. This is again pronounced as wa, even though in alphabet we pronounce it as ha. When you make it a particle, we pronounce it as ha. Watashi wa sensei dewa arimasen. So this is the equation. Watashi wa nani nani dewa arimasen. So we can replace sensei with other nouns. For example, watashi wa gakusei dewa arimasen. That means I am not a student. So like that you can change the noun to make different sentences. So that is for I. I am not a teacher. But when you come to we are not teachers. Again, please note in English, we is a plural. So therefore we need to make the noun plural by putting an S here. So we are not teachers. Are not. So again, there is no article when you come to the plural form of the noun. So same thing can be written in Japanese. So Japanese mostly we don't get plurals, but when you put tachi after noun, so in this case sensei tachi can be added, but again we mentioned that sensei, after sensei we normally put an honorific word, so that means gata. But watashi tachi, we, watashi is me, I, and then when you put tachi, it becomes we. Watashi tachi wa sensei gata dewa arimasen. We are not teachers. Dewa arimasen. Sensei gata dewa arimasen. So got the point? Similarly, when you come to you are not a teacher. Again, we mention you as a single person, as a teacher. I'm addressing one person in front of me. You are not a teacher. We just tell somebody you are not a teacher. So similarly in Japanese, anata is you, anata wa sensei, not otherwise we said sensei desu, you are a teacher, but now you are going to say you are not a teacher. So that means anata wa sensei dewa arimasen. Dewa arimasen is not a teacher, not. So sensei dewa arimasen means not a teacher. So again, they are not teachers. There is a plural, therefore we have to put an S here. Teachers, they are not teachers. So karera, they in Japanese karera. Kare is he, but karera means they. Karera wa sensei gata dewa arimasen. Again, we made the sensei plural by sensei gata with a honorific addition. Either you can put kata or tachi also. but we need to put gata here to make it honorific. Karera wa sensei gata de wa arimasen. So de wa arimasen, earlier it was des, now it became de wa arimasen. Similarly, he is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. Again, is not, and he is a singular word, he, and therefore is a teacher, not teachers. So he is not a teacher. So kare wa sensei de wa arimasen. Kare, he wa sensei de wa arimasen. She is not a teacher. Kanajo wa sensei de wa arimasen. She is not a teacher. And then it is not a cat. It is not a cat. So it can be anything, can be an animal, table, chair, some kind of object. It is not a cat. In this case, animal is used. Then here, there is no direct translation of it, but we can see are. Are wa neko de wa arimasen. Are is over there, something over there. Are wa neko. Neko is cat. De wa arimasen, not a cat. Are wa neko de wa arimasen. Hope you got the point. So we can use all these 7 forms in Japanese like here, but only change that we made compared to the previous slide was instead of this we added dewa arimasen. So your equation now is watashi wa nani nani dewa arimasen. So you fill up the noun, then you can get different sentences. Okay, so let's go to the section down here under the table. We have some explanations here. I am not a teacher. Watashi wa sensei de wa arimasen. Again, the one in red in English is the corresponding Japanese words that is required. I am not, to tell I am not, we need to have watashi wa nani nani de wa arimasen. So altogether equal to I am not. So when you put the a teacher inside here, sensei, so you can make the sentence in Japanese. I am not a teacher. Watashi wa sensei de wa arimasen. My name is Scholastic. My name is not Scholastic. Watashi no namae wa Scholastic de wa arimasen. So watashi no namae wa de wa arimasen is my name is not. They are not Japanese people. They are not Japanese people. Karera wa Nihonjin de wa arimasen. Japanese people, Nihonjin. It is not yet 10 o'clock. You are not late today. Jikan wa mada 10時 de wa arimasen. It is not yet 10 o'clock. De wa arimasen. Jikan wa de wa arimasen. Not yet 10 o'clock. Mada, yet, mada. So de wa arimasen. You are not late today. Anata wa kyou osoku de wa arimasen. So basically, in this case, you are not late. You are not late today. Kyou osoku. In this case, anata wa kyou osoku de wa arimasen. So there are other words that we have used already. Watashi means I. Sensei means teacher. Namae means name. Karera means they. Nihonjin means Japanese people. I am not can be written as I apostrophe am not. They are not can be written as they apostrophe are not, or they aren't. So they are not can be written as these 2 forms. Please have a look. And it is not can be written as it's not or it isn't. So there's a different forms of writing the same thing. You are not can be written as you apostrophe re, not equal to you aren't. So these are the other ways of please learn these forms in English language, so you have the both languages in touch with you now. We are not, we are apostrophe re not, we aren't. He is not, he apostrophe s not, he isn't. She is not, she apostrophe s not, and she isn't. So these are the forms in English language. Also we learned some Japanese terms. I hope you learn both languages, usage of languages for am is negative or dewa arimasen in Japanese. That is actually a negative form of this. So dewa arimasen. Thank you.